Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today on my channel, I'm going to be showing you this particular niche you should be promoting on Redbubble, and this niche is actually going to pick up very good if you start it now. You understand? So Halloween is actually at the corner. I think Halloween it should be ending of this month. Yeah, let's check. So this Halloween is 1st of October. So this particular niche is actually going to be going viral if you start designing on Halloween. People will have been designing on Halloween right now. I want to check Google Trends and let's see how many searches Halloween is actually getting right now presently. So you're actually going to see how much sales you can actually get from this particular t-shirt. I know as I'm actually bringing this topic late, yeah, because I'm making a video over it, but it is still early, so you guys can actually make a lot of sales on that. You understand? So let's just search the topic Halloween and see how many people are searching on that. So let's see how the chart is actually going to be. Is actually going to go a lot because let's see how this is 12 months, you understand? So let's change this so in the past 7 days. Let's see how this is actually going to be. Understand? Ah, so you see, it's actually like going up and down in the past 7 days. You can see 195 searches, 88. You understand? It's actually like a niche where you can actually get a lot of sales. You understand? And this is actually going to be hmm? They know if you can't tell us.
You don't mind now. Bí mo ṣe ń béèrè pé ṣe máa tọ́jú ẹ̀kọ́ sí ìbára wọn wọn ti kú ní sì gbọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ló kú sí ẹni wọ́n ti
So you can see that this is actually like moving up and down. You can see this is like it's 7, and it's actually like a lot of trends. Like a lot of people is actually like going into this particular niche. And then today, I'm not yet started posting. You understand? I'm going to post a lot of designs Halloween. You understand? And it's actually going to boom because I know it. So I've made my research on Halloween. You can see my researches. So a lot of people have been like working on Halloween for parts. I've been trying to like get things done on that. You understand? And you should also do that. And because this is actually a niche that is actually going to give you a lot of sales, you understand? And you can, if you haven't been getting sales, a lot of people have actually been doing things on that. So if you have not been getting sales, you can actually get sales through that, understand? Because trends usually get you sales a lot, and I'm going to be trying that trend of this. So probably I'm going to be posting how the things went in my probably after October 31st, you understand? So I'm going to be checking and I'm going to be showing you how things went, you understand? And how I if I did make a sale or if I didn't make a sale. You understand? I'm going to be showing you that, or I'm going to be posting, and I'm expecting you guys to post also. So I'm going to be showing this particular. No, I told you about Canva, how you can actually like create multiple design. So yeah, this is Canva is really a very good place where you can actually design a lot of designs, t-shirts, and actually it's kind of free. You can actually kind of saying all these pictures and can actually create from scratch, right? But if you like all the tools, you understand, if you want to like have to get these tools, and you have to get to pay them. But I think the plans are not actually that much, you understand, which you need to invest before you can actually get a lot of things done from Redbubble, you understand. So I will actually implore you guys to get this Canva. My link will be actually in the description below, and you can actually try the free plan. And if you want to scale up your stuff, then you can pay up for the pro. You understand? The pro is actually going to be giving you a lot of designs. See, the designs that are actually right here are actually pro. Understand? And yeah, very simple ones. It's actually the fun business is actually this one is actually this one's simple. When you get a lot of fancies, that is transparency. You understand? Because you can't make the and free version, you understand. So if you want it to just be transparent without like the background showing, then you need to pay for the pro, you understand. So I will actually implore you guys to like get this pro. My link will be in the description below, so you can actually just click on it and then sign up. And if you want to use the free, yeah, cool. So let's go on this allowing point. Start. You see we have this particular result, which is this, you understand. So I will actually like posting. There's a lot of competitions right there, so you need to like change some stuff, find this niche where you can actually get think on post some website that you can actually use to get enough, that you're actually going to get like small niche where you can actually post things on. You understand? Instead of getting like 15,000, you can actually like say maybe 3,300 results. You understand? Inside the niche, and the smaller the niche, the higher your chances of getting sold. So we can actually check the best selling. You understand? Let's see what is actually selling right here. See this 35 October. We're going to check that later. So this actually is selling about this that actually will it's like it's going to sell more and make photo of this time. You see, this is actually a sticker. The sticker kind of much there, you understand? So stickers there. So you can get this. You see that when you design count like well this you can see this and so on like this kind of like, but when you're in that about you see like transparently back one. So when you the option is actually like get transparency from the back and that. So when you pay for the Canva Pro, you understand, then you're not going to get the transparency. So when you have enough money, I will actually apply you to pay for the Canva Pro, because you're going to get a lot of designs out of it, you understand. I haven't shown you the Halloween designs that they have, but I know they get a lot of Halloween designs, and there are a lot of apps or websites or software which you can actually use to design um all your t-shirt. But I'm going to be showing you that. So these are this October 1st, and we have 25 results, you understand, which is actually very competitive, you understand. You can actually get enough, you can actually get what's it called, your product sold right here, because there's not, the competition right here is not much, you understand. You can actually get your product sold in snake shit, and so you need to like get in the part which you actually like up, and then things, and this is actually like shirt stickers. So just is your design of sticker, you understand, base them on sticker. I'm not going to be designing with this account because I want to base this account only on shirts. So probably I'm going to do the designs on shirt only on this account. Then the other account I'm going to base that one on stickers. So you guys are actually like, if you want to get stickers done, you need transparency, and that's because this is actually transparency also. Understand that, but it's not necessary to actually get that one done. You understand, in a normal sticker like this, you understand. But it's going to be better if you get transparency. But there's a lot of website right there that can actually extract the background and make it transparent, which you can actually go check by Google, you understand, or check in YouTube. I'm going to be posting videos on that also, which is actually going to help you a lot also if you cannot afford Pro, the Canva Pro, you understand. But if you can afford the Canva Pro, I will actually tell you to get through it. The link is in my description below, so you can actually click on that, you understand. So let's move into it. So right here, you see there's actually stickers are actually selling much. So I will actually tell you to actually get things on that, understand, because that's what is actually going to be selling, and you're going to be getting in loads of sales through that, you understand. You need to like act fast because it's actually a trendy stuff. People would have started buying their product, you understand. This is actually of the best stuff I've seen, you understand. This is sticker is actually very good. You don't need quality, just make them quantity over quality. You understand? Any of your products can get sales, you understand? Any, even the ones you don't think is actually going to get sales, is actually going to get sales, you understand? So that's it. So kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed. And click on the subscribe button also to get notified when I drop new videos on them. You understand? And don't forget to share if you like this content and you think it's actually helpful. Share and like. Thank you very much.